I mean, a $42,000 difference in roof pricing between two different companies is absolutely insane for the exact same product. Welcome back to the Roof Lab. Today we're talking about metal roofs, specifically stone-coated metal, and whether they're actually worth the investment. Now, before we get into it, if you appreciate honest, straightforward answers about roofing, hit subscribe. That's what we do here. And I need to say this clearly. We install metal roofs. We like metal roofs, but we absolutely do not like when homeowners massively overpay for them. We work with this homeowner who has a 4,400 square foot home here in Ohio, and they had a large national roofing company come out and were pitched for a stone-coated metal shingle system. And the quote, $112,000. If we installed that roof, it would land around $70,000. Same exact product, same quality of install, same basic system. That's a $42,000 difference. Same roof, different company. And that's where the real conversation starts. If you've gotten multiple quotes for a metal roof, drop the numbers and the roofing company in the comments. I'm curious what kind of spread you're seeing. So why does this happen? It's not because the product is different. It's not because one roof lasts longer. It's not because one crew works twice as hard. It's structure. Large national companies often have multi-million-dollar advertising budgets, commission-heavy sales teams, layered management overhead, financing costs built into pricing, and high pressure in-home sales systems. All that overhead structure has to be paid for somehow. So it gets built into your roof price. And here's something else. These stone-coated metal shingles are not proprietary. They're not secretive. They're not exclusive. They're widely available through manufacturers and suppliers. The product isn't rare. The markup is. Now let's be fair. Metal roofs are excellent. They can last 50 to 70 years. They resist impact. They handle wind extremely well, and they hold color. They are more energy efficient, and they're durable. Metal is not the problem. The pricing is. Because when you overpay by $20,000, $30,000, even $40,000, that's when metal becomes a bad investment. Not because it's metal, because you paid for the machine behind the sale. And if this is helpful so far, hit like. It tells YouTube this kind of honest breakdown is worth sharing. So how do you avoid this? Educate yourself. Don't give in to high pressure sales companies. Ask for the exact manufacturer and product name. Compare the scope line by line. Some gauge, same coating, same underlayment, same ventilation. If one quote is 20 to 40% higher and the system's identical, ask what you're actually paying for. Premium product or premium markup. So, are metal roofs a waste of money? No, but paying tens of thousands more than you need to is. Metal is a great product. Just make sure you're buying the roof, not the overhead. So, if you're pricing out a metal roof and want to understand what's fair, reach out. And if you want more honest roofing breakdowns like this, subscribe. We post new videos every week. We'll see you in the next one.